Hello and welcome to Car Choice. I'm Denise and today I'll share with you some tips on tyre care and maintenance. So let's get to it. Starting off with tyre pressure. It is recommended to check monthly. You can find the tyre pressure chart labeled at your vehicle's door frame or the owner's manual. To check the pressure, you can head to your nearest petrol kiosk for their free-to-use air pumps. Excessive tyre pressure may lead to a bouncy ride, while insufficient tyre pressure increases rolling resistance and heavy steering. What's worse, it hurts fuel consumption as well. By the way, there are also pressure monitor systems available in the market that are easily accessible and affordable. Doing a routine monthly check not only maintains the optimal driving experience, but also allows you to spot punctures. Root debris like nails and stones may penetrate the tyres. Discover them early and get them repaired, or you may end up with costly replacements. Checking of tyre wear is often overlooked by many. But do you know that LTA legally requires tyres to be replaced when they reach 1.6mm of tread depth? The lack of threads also reduces the grip and increases your braking distance. Excessive worn tyres are more prone to punctures. To measure, simply insert a 50-cent coin into the groove. If you are able to see the word Singapore, it's time to get your tyres changed. To maintain your tyres at the optimal level, tyre rotation should be done at an interval of 10,000 kilometers, and wheel alignment should be done every 2 to 3 years. This ensures the tyres are balanced and thus prolonging the usage. Once suspension parts, uneven tyre wear, wheel imbalance, and misalignment can all affect driving experience and shorten the lifespan of your tyres. The advice from manufacturers is to change it when it hits 40,000 kilometers or 5 years from the tyre manufacture date. You can get them done easily by any tyre repair shop near you. So remember to check your tyre today. Be safe, stay safe, and we'll see you again in the next quick tip video.